This is Randy. He's a construction worker. He uses math in a variety of ways while practicing his trade. Construction workers need to be able to add, subtract, divide, and multiply, as well as work with fractions. Construction workers need math to plan projects. Randy uses math when reading blueprints, taking measurements, and calculating how much a project will cost. He uses math to buy supplies, to figure out how much of each material to get for the project. Construction workers use math to accurately measure materials that need to be cut and installed. Construction workers use math in designing, so buildings don't fall over and everything fits together. When planning a project, construction workers use math to figure out how long it will take to get a project done and how many workers they will need. Construction workers help and give back to our community every day. They build big things that make our communities easier to navigate, safer, more secure, healthier, and provide jobs to hundreds of families.